Shenzhen HengXing Packaging Machine Company Limited, established in 2011, is a professional machine manufacturer engaged in research, development, production, sale and service of ultrasonic tube filling and sealing machine, precision ceramic pumps, filling capping labeling line, plastic ampule filling and sealing machine, cosmetic facial mask packing machine, cartoning machine, high-frequency plastic welding machine, ultrasonic plastic welding machine, plastic vacuum forming machine, blister sealing machine, etc. The packaging machines are widely used in cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, chemical, food, plastic, and other industries. Most of the products have obtained CE and RoHS certificates. HengXing, with a passionate and experienced team, is always available to analyze your requirements and provide you the most effective solutions and get back to you in time. Closely following with the market trend, we have developed filling and sealing machine for dual chamber tube, monodose plastic tube, and plastic ampule, providing more package possibilities for cosmetic and pharmaceutical industries. We are committed to the development of ultrasonic technology, combining the automation technology with ultrasonic technology perfectly in plastic tube sealing, overcoming the problems of traditional hot air sealing, perform neat, stable, and firm sealing. Through the continuous effort of technical team, we have obtained numbers of patent certificates, leading ultrasonic technology trends in packaging machines. Located in Shenzhen, 25 minutes drive from Shenzhen International Airport. We sincerely welcome customers from all over the world to visit and cooperate with us.